guys. We back. All right, we ready to do the breakdown of these steps. Now we're gonna do the rock easy because everybody said they want to see it a little better, so I got you. The rock easy, you step back and then you turn. You see that? 1 and 2, 3 and 4. If you do it with the left, you step back and you turn. So let's count that out. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So watch my feet. I'm stepping back with the right first. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Left. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. See, I'm pushing that hip out. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Run it back. If you can't get it, we can slow it down and watch it. It's only like 4 steps to it. You got this. You get ready to turn them hips and get ready to do that rock easy, real easy with them steps. You'll be ready to go. See, I did that on the right. Hey, then turn on the left. Y'all got this. All right, get ready for the next steps. We're going to break them all down for you. Peace out. We out. A-Team, subscribe, and we'll see you later. Bye.